Today, we are going to look at how we create our first wine. Begin by clicking the Add New Wine button from your dashboard. From here, begin filling in the different fields. Note that only the fields with an asterisk are actually required. You may also add multiple grape varieties in the varietal field if the wine is a blend. Continue on to the vineyard information section and add in as much or little as you like, depending on how you want your brand displayed. I have found that some wineries don't want to overload their consumers with too many details, while others feel the more information, the better. Our built-in mapping tool is simple to use and allows you to either drop a pin in the vineyard location or highlight a specific area to showcase where the fruit is coming from. If multiple vineyards are used in a single wine, you can always drop more pins or add more highlighted areas. If you are unhappy with where your border points are while mapping the vineyard, you can always move them around to fit where they make the most sense to you. Once you have finished highlighting your vineyards, adjust the map to the level of zoom you wish to have initially displayed on your wine's page. Don't worry, consumers will be able to adjust and scroll along the map while they are using the website. Also, you can adjust the color of the highlighted area by changing the primary color under branding in your winery profile. On the next page, you will have the opportunity to upload a bottle shot, wine label, or another image that you want associated with your wine. I recommend a bottle shot which doesn't display a vintage, as this will cover all vintages under the current wine. On this screen, you can also upload drone footage or a talking head video such as your winemaker talking about what makes this wine special. Drone footage starts automatically when the page loads and does not have sound. Talking head videos include classic volume controls as well as pause and play buttons. These uploads are limited to 50 megabytes or about 1 to 2 minutes depending on quality. Next, we get into individual vintage creation. Everything that we have made so far will be static across all vintages of the current wine. We have built in a handy text sheet upload tool, which pulls information directly from your text sheets and places it into the correct field, saving you time. Be sure to double check that the desired fields are filled in before moving on. Lastly, be sure to include a link back to where consumers can purchase your wines. This will drive traffic to your website and help increase your DTC sales. From here, simply press preview and you will be able to see what your consumers see. No matter how much or little information you decided to provide, the page will automatically format to fit across personal computers, tablets, or cell phones. The QR code will be instantly generated under the QR code tab at the top of the page. Simply download it and place it on your back label, wine club information, or in your tasting room. BibiVini, where hospitality meets technology.